It starts as a quiet moment at your desk, pencil moving, when a deep rumble rolls through your stomach like a hidden drum. So the wild part is that this sound has nothing to do with hunger and everything to do with a system called the migrating motor complex. It kicks in when you're focused and not eating, which means your gut starts sweeping itself clean while you sketch. And that's why intense drawing sessions often come with surprise growls that feel perfectly timed. If this amused you, like, comment, and subscribe for more odd stories hiding in plain sight.